Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. To mark the 20th anniversary of Alpha Palliative Care, discussion meetings and seminars are being organized in 26 centers across 9 districts of the state. These events will focus on the contemporary social importance of palliative care and the concepts and action plans of Alpha. The first phase of the programs will begin on 28 August. The inaugural event will be a discussion meeting at the Annavi Auditorium in Chandanakavu, Aleppi, starting at 9 a.m. on Thursday, the 28th. The events will be attended by Alpha Chairman K.M. Noordin, Medical Director Dr. Jose Babu, Community Director Suresh Sridharan, Vision 2030 State Coordinator Anjit Kumar, and SAPC State Coordinator Fabin Baby. A seminar titled A Life and End of Life with Dignity will be held at 2 p.m., chaired by the Alpha Chairman with the Medical Director presenting the topic. On 30th August, the programs will begin with a discussion meeting at the Kochi Center in Vayakala, Kakinada, at 9 a.m. On 1st September, a discussion meeting will be held at the Alpha Kodungalur Center near Kerala Varma Higher Secondary School, Eriyad, followed by a seminar at 2:30 p.m. On 3rd September, the Alpha 20 Years of Palliative Care program will begin with a discussion meeting at the Alpha Vellangalur Center at 9 a.m., with the seminar scheduled for 2:30 p.m. The discussions aim to emphasize the core values and vision of Alpha Palliative Care, that palliative care is a duty, not a charity, and should be provided free of charge, without discrimination based on caste, religion, politics, or financial status, ensuring the dignity of the patient and their family. The seminars, which include public participation, are being held to communicate the social significance of palliative care and the message that it is essential for every person to have a dignified end of life. These events will be held at all Alpha centers before December 2025. Onam celebrations will be held on a large scale at the Alpha Edamuttam Hospice. The venue for the celebrations will be the Alpha Hospice's Ashish Care Home. The festivities will begin on 4th September and 5th, on the days of Uttradam and Thiruvonam, with a traditional Onam feast at 12 p.m. All Alpha workers and staff members are invited to the celebration, which will be held in the presence of Chairman K.M. Noordin and Trustee Tahira Noordin. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.